Good evening, sir. I'm going to explain my Unix second experiment. The experiment is conditional statement in shell programming, and I'm going to explain my first program. To the first program is to find the greatest of the three numbers, and this is my program. In this I'm reading number 1 2 3, because we have to find for three numbers, and in the if statement we are giving the number greater than and space a and greater number 3. Then we are giving the print like printf echo statement greatest number, like that we are giving for 2, then echo greatest number 2, then greater else we are using else if statement for that, and again the else statement is used, and the echo greatest number of 3 is found. Then for if you are using if statement, so we are completing with fi. Now I'm running my program, and so I'm entering three numbers, and the greatest number is shown. And second is to find the grade for the given mark. To find the grade of the given mark, uh, this is my program. In this I'm using five echo statements. We have to enter five marks, and we are reading it as m1 m2 m3 m4 m5, and add, we are giving add and average. Add is we are adding the 5 marks, and from that add we are dividing it by 5, because 5 marks are given, so we are dividing it by 5 to get the average, and the total is the output of the total is the marks which are added, and the average is the average mark divided by 5. So if average mark is greater than 90, grade A, they print as grade A. Else if the greatest mark is 80, they print 80 to 90 between, they to print it as B. And else if the grade average mark is between 70 and 80, it print it as C, and it goes on like that. And I'm entering my first mark, second mark, third, fourth mark, and fifth mark. So it is showing the total and average of the given mark, and the thing is going on like this. And third experiment is to find the shell script for the pass or fail. So the shell script for pass or fail is in this. We are giving the internal marks out of 60. It is read it as I, because it is internal mark, and another thing is external mark out of 100. It in the I, it divide the mark by 0.45, and in the sum it adds the internal mark plus the external mark. If the sum is greater than or equal to 50, then it print it as pass, otherwise it is fail. And because we are using the if statement, we are ending it with fi, and I am running my program. And external mark out of 60, I'm printing it as 45, and internal mark 45, external mark out of 100 as 97. So the numeric, the expression, and it print it as pass. And to find develop the arithmetic calculator, in that Here is my program for arithmetic calculator. In this echo, we are printing and entering, getting input, enter two numbers. The two numbers are entered, and in the echo we are using some of the basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, mod, and power, etc. And the output is read operation. Read operation is given. In that, in the switch case, we are using it as operation in sum. Its expression is sum n1 n2 echo sum. Sum is printed and 2 and 3 it goes on like that. And we are using the case statement, switch case statement, so we are ending it with ESAC. And my program is I'm running my program. In that, I am going to enter two numbers. Two numbers are entered. We use 2 and the subtracted, and the second I have chosen the option as 2. It subtracted the given numbers and gave the output. And second thing is to find the cell script to check whether the entered character is a vowel or a consonant. For this I am having it we have to enter the character, and the character is treated as ch. In the switch case statement, the vowel, the letters which belongs to the vowel are entered, and it is if it is not, if these five letters are not entered, it is entered as it is not a vowel. So in this we are using the switch case statement in the and we are using this case statement, so we are finishing it with ESAC. I'm going to enter T, which is not, it is not a vowel. A E I O is a vowel, when this is not a vowel. And so I finished my second experiment. Thank you, sir.